Are you ready to elevate your barbecue skills? Lonnie Gandar's 365 Great Barbecue and Grilling Recipes offers a unique recipe for every day of the year, ensuring your grill never gets boring. Start your culinary journey with exciting appetizers like ginger beef bites or chicken sate with peanut sauce. For main courses, try herbed flank steak with Dijon mustard or Parslied Chicken with garlic. These recipes promise to add zest and spice to your grilling repertoire. If you're in the mood for seafood, Shellfish Brochettes Hawaiian and Teriyaki Salmon Steak are perfect choices. For a lighter option, explore grilled salads like grilled Salad Nicoise or grilled chicken and zucchini salad with mint, offering refreshing flavors for any occasion. Marinades. Complement your meals with vegetable dishes such as grilled ratatouille and corn on the cob with Chile Butter. Experiment with marinades, spicy rubs, and a variety of barbecue sauces to enhance every dish. Whether you're hosting a New England clambake or a Texas barbecue, this book ensures your grilling is unforgettable. Surprise your guests and become the king of the grill with these delicious recipes.